Guys, we have been fooled again. Have you ever heard a millionaire or a billionaire talking about skill development, self-development, professional development? These guys have one skill and one and only, how to make money, and they mastered it. So therefore, they don't need any other skill. And when you don't have that skill, you can't make money. This is where corporations and gurus can sell you anything. This is when they sell you, oh, you need to have emotional intelligence, critical thinking, project management skill, resilient leadership skill. Shall I go on? And this is exactly why senior leaders in high salaried positions don't want to go through any kind of development programs. They don't care. Why? They might not make millions, but they figured out how to make money through that corporate ladder, and that's what they are doing. I know a CEO who is sitting on 5 different boards apart from his day job. He figured it out. These guys figured out how to make money just by sitting on a board. He needs to show up twice a year and he gets $50,000. Now multiply that by 5, plus his CEO salary. Yeah, you cannot sell these guys the empathetic leadership crap. They figured out how money works and they make it work for themselves. And each time when you talk to these people or you watch them having interviewed, they always say, I have been broke many times, but I have the skills to build my wealth back up. They figured out how money works, and that's all they do. Well done to them. I want to learn that skill too.